Honorable Principal, respected teachers, chief guests, parents and all my dear fellows. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sundar Perez and I am the student of Guardian Model School System, Karal, Islamabad, and I read in grade 8. Today, I am here to present a speech on the topic that everyone must be understand deeply. So, the topic is hard work versus smart work. So first of all, hard work means putting in a lot of effort and time to complete a task. On the other hand, smart work means working efficiently by using time and resources wisely. Hard work has to stay disciplined and focused. And without hard work, success is almost impossible. Hard work and discipline are the two most important things. Because you may not be the smartest person in the world, you may not be the most beautiful person in the world, you may not be the best in whatever it is that you're doing. But if you are disciplined and if you're hard working, so nobody is here can stop you. And all of us do not have an equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. And there is nothing in the world that comes for free. Everything requires hard work. So you have to work hard. And if you want to be a most powerful person in the world, so always educate yourself. Believe in yourself. Work hard, stay focused and never give up. Because your determination will lead you to success. So keep going. And you know that only one tree can make 1 million matchsticks. But only one matchstick can burn all the 1 million trees. That means that one negative thought can burn all the positive thoughts. And always remember that you cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely your habits will change your future. And laziness. You know what? Laziness kills ambition. Anger kills wisdom. Fear kills dreams. Jealousy kills growth. Ego kills peace. And doubt kills confidence. So you have to work hard because it shows dedication, patience and consistency. While smart work focus on good in every situation to achieve quicker or better ways to achieve results. And you always work hard in silence and let your success make a noise. But only hard work is not enough. Smart work makes your efforts more effective. One thing more, that always be an eagle in your life, not a parrot. Because a parrot talks way too much, but can't fly high. But an eagle is silent and has the power to touch the sky. So always be an eagle in your life, not a parrot. And if you believe that you are right, but still people criticize you, hurt you, shout at you. So don't worry and just remember that in every game, only audience make a noise, not a player. So be a player in your life and believe in yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. And great things will never come from comfort zones. You have to work hard. And you know, what is kindness? When you pray for someone for their well-being, without them even knowing, that's kindness. When you feed stray dogs, stray cats, when you feed those tiny little birds every day on your rooftop, that's kindness. When that food delivery guy comes at your doorstep to deliver the food, when you ask him that if he is hungry, and then you share your food with him. That is the kindness. And you know what? Trying is always and much better than crying. So always work hard. And one thing more, that is overthinking. Overthinking is one of the biggest waste of human energy. So you just trust yourself, make a decision and gain more experience. Because there is no such thing as perfect here. So you cannot think your way into perfection. You just take action. Because You never think that I have nothing. You also never think that I have everything. But always think that I have something. So I can achieve anything. And you don't have to look good for people. You don't have to be perfect just because other people want you to be perfect. No. If your soul is perfect from within, so that's all right. This is all what you want. This is all what you need to be. And don't take rest after your first victory. Don't take rest after your first victory. Because if you fail in the second, so more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. And you don't believe in luck. You always believe in hard work. And past. Past is past. It's never come again. But the present. It's the best gift that we have in our life. The present. Because you don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. You don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. You don't know, I don't know, he don't know. So live in the present and believe in yourself. And life is a beautiful blessing. Life is a beautiful journey filled with so many highs and as many lows. And all these highs and lows and good and bad experiences make us who we are. At the last, I would like to end my speech. And I would like to give you a message that is, no matter what somebody is standing by your side or not, if Allah is standing by your side, so no person in the world, no power in the world can move you from the place you deserve. And life is full of problems. But problems are not permanent. But life is limited. So face every problem with confidence and enjoy every moment of your life. Thank you.